Hello, I'm Joseph Coelho, children's author and poet, and for this World Book Day, I've created All Poems Aloud, a poetry book with poems from my Out Loud series. Courage Out Loud, Smiles Out Loud, and the very first book in the series, Poems Aloud. And these are all poems designed to be read out loud with little introductions that give you a suggestion for different ways that you can read the poems aloud or out loud. Do you use a funny voice? Do you connect with your emotions? Do you start quiet and get louder and louder and louder? Or start loud and get quieter and quieter and quieter? There are lots of fun ways for you to explore poetry. My top tip for reading is to find a little corner, a little nest that you can call your own. It might be the corner of your bedroom, it might be sitting on your bed or curled up in your school library, or indeed a little bench in the playground. Find that comfortable little space where you can curl up with a book and be undisturbed and get reading. My favourite reading space is on trains. I really enjoy reading on trains. I'm often travelling all over the country and I like finding a quiet seat on the train and curling up with a good book. Sometimes I listen to audiobooks and sometimes I mix between the two. So when I get off the train, I'll put my earbuds in and I will walk and listen to an audiobook, and then when I'm sitting down, I'll get a physical book out, or sometimes I read on a Kindle, I read a digital book. There's lots of different ways to read, so I hope you find your preferred method and get reading lots and lots and lots. This year, I would like to read more graphic novels. I absolutely adored graphic novels and comics when I was young, and I'm still young. But I don't get to read as many as I used to when I was a kid. So I want to dive into reading some more graphic novels and comic books. I think I want to read some more kind of individual comics, because I really used to enjoy getting individual comics and then sort of building up a series. So I want to do more of that. So I'm going to be checking out more graphic novels and comic books this year. Here's what I think you should read next if you enjoy reading poetry. The first book recommendation is A Dinosaur at the Bus Stop by Kate Wakeling, illustrated by Eilidh Muldoon. These are fantastic poems, silly poems, serious poems, poems to get you thinking. The next book is Spin, a series of poems by 10 brand new poets, new to writing poetry for young people, for that sort of 9+ age range. The poems in here are absolutely brilliant. I did edit this collection, so I'm a little bit biased, but these are brilliant poets. Check out Spin. The next book I'm going to recommend is Red Sky at Night, Poet's Delight by Alex Walton, and it's illustrated by Ian Morris, another fantastic collection from the brilliant Welsh Children's Laureate Alex Walton there. The next book I'd like to recommend is Best of All, The Magical Mix That's You by Simriti Halls and illustrated by Cheya Prabhat. Now this is a picture book, but it's a rhyming picture book, and you are never too old for a picture book. This is a picture book all about being of mixed heritage, which I am. I'm Anglo-Indian Jamaican, and this book really spoke to me, and I love the rhyme and the rhythm in this poetry picture book. And last but not least, I'm going to recommend one of my own books, The Poetry Prompts, a series of writing exercises to get you writing poems in fun, active and interesting ways. Check them all out.